Gratitude gets a lot of lip service. We talk about it, we nod to it, maybe we even scribble it in a journal once in a while. But here's the truth. Gratitude is more than a warm, fuzzy feeling. It's a practice. It's a discipline. It's a tool. And like all great tools, it can change lives. Gratitude isn't about ignoring the hard stuff. It's not a shortcut past pain or struggle. It's about looking at what's difficult, what's uncertain, and saying, there's still something here I can honor. When we shift from scarcity to abundance, we're not pretending everything is perfect. We're choosing to see the beauty in what is. And for your clients, gratitude isn't just about feeling good. It's about moving forward. Gratitude creates clarity. A gratitude journal isn't just a list of what's nice today. It's a lens that reframes setbacks as stepping stones and challenges as teachers. Gratitude builds resilience. When clients pause to recognize the lessons in their struggles, they stop seeing themselves as victims. They start seeing themselves as creators, capable of navigating what comes next. Gratitude invites presence, mindfulness, walks, sensory grounding, or simply asking, what are you grateful for in this moment? These tools anchor clients in the now, in what's real. Here's the thing. Gratitude doesn't remove the struggle. It doesn't erase the hard stuff. What it does is help us choose curiosity over fear, abundance over lack, and action over stagnation. As a coach, your job isn't to fix your clients' problems. It's to hold space where they can discover their own answers. And gratitude is one of the most powerful tools to help them do just that. It reminds them that who they are and what they already have is enough to take the next step. Because when we practice gratitude, we don't just see the world differently. We show up differently. So how will you use gratitude today? So we recently explored this exact topic inside our Impact Coaching Collective community. It was honestly packed with insights, strategies, and real-life coaching tools, all focused on using gratitude to create transformation. Here are just a few of the takeaways. Gratitude really does shift perspectives. Coaches shared how journaling, nature walks, and guided reflections can help clients move from scarcity to abundance and, from feeling stuck to feeling open. It strengthens resilience too. That means reframing setbacks as learning moments, celebrating small wins to build confidence, and using questions like, what have you gained from this experience? These techniques help clients bounce back even stronger. It deepens connection. Gratitude builds trust and safety in coaching sessions. And when you model gratitude and appreciation, your clients feel seen and valued. It opens the door for real growth. So, how do you integrate gratitude into your coaching? Try journaling exercises that, reframe tough moments as opportunities. Lead mindfulness walks, and ask clients to focus on what they see, hear, and feel. Use thought interruption tools like gratitude meditations or journaling prompts, and encourage daily reflection on the little things that go right. Because gratitude isn't just about feeling better. It's about seeing clearer. It's about getting unstuck. And it's about transforming how we relate to ourselves, our clients, and the world around us. If you'd like to experience conversations like this live, join us inside the Impact Coaching Collective. Activate your 14-day free access and come to our next Coach Coffee Hour. See link in description and comments. We'd love to see you there. And if you're ready to go deeper, take our free quiz. Discover your ideal coaching path and which certification fits you best. Transformation Academy is the world's largest life coach training platform, with nearly 1 million students in more than 200 countries. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. We'll see you in the next video.